said all 62 passengers killed in São Paulo plane crash. It is confirmed that the devastating plane crash in Brazil's São Paulo state has claimed the lives of all 62 people on board. The Voepass ATR-72 twin-engine turboprop aircraft was en route from Cascavel, located in Paraná state, to São Paulo city's main airport. The aircraft tragically went down in the town of Venhido, according to Voepass airline. Videos circulating on social media depict the plane in a terrifying descent, spiraling as it plummeted toward the ground. The plane was carrying 58 passengers and 4 crew members. Local authorities have confirmed that there were no survivors from the crash. Despite the plane crashing in a residential area, authorities reported that no one on the ground was injured. Only one home in a local condominium complex was damaged, and fortunately, none of the residents were harmed. RIP to the 62 passengers.